Hi folks, Heather McClaren with this week's 5 at 5 exploring Cienegas National Conservation Area. Now some of you are probably asking, where is this? Where are you driving? Well, I am only an hour outside of Tucson, barely. I am down past Vail on the southeast side, down 83, heading to Sonoita, exploring over 45,000 acres of rolling grasslands where the Sonoran and the Chihuahuan Desert transition. This place was several working ranches that has now been preserved and put together, donated public land to forever be available for our exploration and enjoyment. It is named after Cienegas Creek, one of the most intact riparian areas in all of Arizona, one of the most valuable resources we have for hundreds of miles in any direction. La Cienega area with the Cienegas Creek is some of the most supportive habitat for wildlife that you'll find in southern Arizona. Some of the rarest vegetation that's been disappearing from the southwest is still here. And you can come through this area on horseback, on four-wheel drive, ATVs, mountain bikes with your dog for hiking. There's 3 campsites that I'm going to put a map up to at the end of this video. And you can explore it in all kinds of ways. I had planned on exploring this by drone, but I'm having a little trouble with my drone right now. I'm needing to send back a part for replacement. So we're exploring this by car and by camping. I checked out one of the great campsites that had a beautiful 360 view, so much peace. You're at a cell range, you're at a internet range, you're at a TV range. No one can find you. You can just disappear back into these beautiful grasslands and enjoy your time back here. So enjoy the rest of the scenery, enjoy the rest of the video, check out the map, check out the campgrounds, and please, the next time you're in this area or you just want to get away to some beautiful scenery, consider checking out La Cienegas National Area, only an hour outside of Tucson, and here for your enjoyment and peace of mind.